Hello and welcome. We are going to break down this exponential equation step by step. Solution. From what we know, 4 raised power t is equal to t raised power 64. Now, we are going to multiply both sides by the inverse of t, which is 1 over t. So that brings us to 4 raised power t times 1 over t is equal to t raised power 64 times 1 over t. Now, from what we know, a raised power m times n is equal to a raised power m n. Now that brings our equation to 4 raised power t times 1 over t is equal to t raised power 64 times 1 over t. Now at this point, t, we cancel out t, we have 4 is equal to t raised power 64 times 1 over t, which is 64 over t. From here, we are going to multiply both sides again by the inverse of 64, which is 1 over 64. So if we do that, we have 4 raised power 1 over 64 is equal to t raised power 64 over t times 1 over 64. Now 64, we cancel 64. We're then left with 4 raised power 1 over 64 is equal to t raised power 1 over t. Now from here, if we switch sides, we have that a is equal to b and b is also equals to a. Now we have t raised power 1 over t is equal to 4 raised power 1 over 64. From here, we can simplify further. A is the same as 1 times a, which still gives us a. So if we apply this into this, 1 over 64 is the same as 1 times 1 over 64. So if we apply that into this place, we have that t raised power 1 over t is equal to 4 raised power 1 over 64 dot 1. We can write it this way: t raised power 1 over t is equal to 4 raised power 1 dot 1 over 64. Now we also know that 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So if we replace this into this one, you have t raised power 1 over t is equal to 4 raised power 4 over 4 dot 1 over 64. Now from here, this becomes t raised power 1 over t is equal to 4 raised power 4 dot 1 over 4 times 64. Now this is the same as t raised power 1 over t is equal to 4 raised power 4 and then 1 over 4 times 64. Now from here, 4 raised power 4 is 4 times 4, which is equal to 16 times 4, which is 4 in this is 4, 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, which is 6, and then times 4 again. 4 times 4 is 16, 1, 24, 25. Now we have that t raised power 1 over t is equal to 256 over 1 Well, 4 times 64, which is 256. At this point, our equation is balanced. That brings t to be equal to 256. So our final answer for t is 256. Now let's verify and check if this solution satisfies the equation. So our equation is 4 raised power t is equal to t raised power 64, and our value for t is equal to 256. Now, if we substitute this value into the equation, we have that 4 raised power 256 is equal to 256 raised power 64. Now, from here, 4 raised power 256 is equal to 4 raised power 4 from what we solved earlier, and then 64. Now, 4 raised power 256 is equal to 4 raised power 4 times 64. Now, 4 raised power 256 is equal to 4 times 4 raised power 4 times 64. 4 times 64 is equal to 256. Now, since our left hand side is equal to our right hand side, this proves that our solution for x is correct. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.